Listen to this one. My uncle survived pepper sprays in 2 wars. Well, he came back a seasoned veteran. Seasoned. You guessed it right. I speak about pepper today. Pepper or Piper nigrum is a flowering vine cultivated for its fruit, known as a peppercorn, which is usually dried and used as a spice or as seasoning. Black pepper is one of the most popular spices in the world and is known as the king of spices. This spice originated from the western Ghats of India. Pepper had a big role in India being a trading superpower in medieval years. Pepper can grow in a variety of soils, but well-drained soil rich in humus or organic matter is best. We being in North India plant pepper in watery shades of the garden. In commercial cultivation, black pepper is usually propagated through cuttings instead of seeds, as propagation through seeds takes a long time. Since they are climbing vines, they need support to grow. You can use a tree or a pole to give them support. We need to increase watering during hot and dry periods, especially prevalent in North Indian summers. Pepper is also called black gold. Freshly ground black peppercorns are the ideal seasoning. They have the strongest flavor. Green peppercorns are slightly spicy and aromatic. White peppercorns are basically black peppercorns whose skins have been removed. They have both a fiery but also less pungent taste and are good for light colored sauces and foods. Red colored peppercorns are those left to ripen on the vine and turn red. However, it is rare to find red peppercorns. Pink peppercorns aren't actually peppercorns. They come from a South American shrub. Technically, peppercorns are fruits, though the dried peppercorns may look like seeds. Black pepper has a ton of health benefits as well. Pepper used to be so valuable, it was worth more than gold. Individual peppercorns were accepted as currency in Europe in the Middle Ages. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.